Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl LA, and I'm here to do one of the challenges off of YouTube. I'm doing a video, babe. So the challenge is pretty much pick a palette, put the number of colors into a baggie, and pick 3 colors. Use the colors. Be creative. And do the colors that you pick. So I already did my brows, my face, and I'm ready to do my eyes. So the palette that I'm using is the Morphe Pride palette. I'm so in love with this palette, guys. Look at the colors, bruh. This is for celebrating Pride. I believe it was for the 50-year anniversary of Pride, and 100% proceeds went to that foundation. I'm sorry, I don't know what the foundation is called. You have to forgive me, but I do know 100% of the palette. They had this palette, and then they had some brushes that went along with it. I believe it was like 6 or 8. It might have been 8. But I didn't get the brush set. I was being cheap, But I did get the palette. I'm in love with the colors. So let's get started. I'm going to have my son come here, Hashawn. Pick out 3 numbers.
Me?
And then we are going to...
What does it mean?
Yeah. We're going to see what colors I have to work with. So pick out 3 for me. Pick out 3 of these, babe. Here, pick out 3. All right, 1. Okay, pick out another one. 2. Pick out 1 more. 3. All right, go ahead. Thank you, babe. So the numbers we have is 24... 20 and 7. Did you say 7? All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This coral color. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Ooh! And then 24, which is this green. So we have this coral, this purple, and then this green here. I don't know. So we have culture, Gilbert, and Parade. Okay. So I'm gonna go in with my number 2. P. Louise base. I don't know what I'm gonna do. All right, so okay. So we're going in with Parade first. That is my final answer. And Parade is the 24th color that we're going in with. And I'm going to take that coral and just pop it right up top. And then next I'm gonna go in with the Gilbert, the purple here. So what I will say about this palette so far is that I love the pigmentation. Ooh. Ooh. And now I'm gonna go back in with my base. I'm not gonna cut it. I'm just gonna add the base back on a little bit, just so that my next color will be bold. I'm just going right in this area right here. I'm gonna go in with back into the culture. Go back into the culture. This palette is everything. Now that I've done this, I feel like I would have placed the green somewhere else. But it's okay. We're just gonna wing it out. We're gonna wing it out and keep on going, okay? That's the whole thing. You keep on going, regardless of what obstacles is in your way. So now we're gonna go in with some liner. So here's the look here. Now I'm gonna go back in with that Gilbert. And smoke it out. So here's the final look, guys. It actually didn't come out too bad. I'm feeling it. This is not every day for me, but I would definitely wear this out, going out somewhere, to a party, or just somewhere, you know, where you feel like being alive and lit. So this is my final look using my Morphe 21L Living Color palette. It was awesome and I packed it away. I can show you. I love it. I love the palette. I love what they're doing. I'm so excited about it. I can't wait to use the rest of the colors. I put on my shirt from Shein to represent the palette and Pride for their 50th anniversary. And this was my challenge using 3 colors that was handpicked from my son. And this is the look that I created. So thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And subscribe, baby. Hit the button. Just hit the button. And wait for your next video. But thanks, guys, for watching. I will see you again.